The Gita's ethics is idealistic. It plans and coordinates the appropriate growth of every facet of the human being. It also incorporates devotion into thought and deed. The Gita emphasizes the importance of self-surrender. If man, after giving up all, takes refuge with God, all sins are destroyed. Only after purification, the truth is accessible to someone who believes in knowledge. Among the various characteristics of the Gita, the following are the main ones that have been used to preach this same doctrine of total self-devotion and submission to God. Integration of societal and individual interests. Gita's ethics have integrated societal and individual concerns. Even though the individual is not insignificant in any manner, the universal soul and a person's soul are not two distinct beings. Every differentiation results from ignorance. Absolute individual perfection is the ultimate goal, but it can only be realized via the development of society and the awareness of God. Theory of division of labor. According to the Gita, the Varna system is equal to the present scientific division of labor, and in some ways, it is even better because man doesn't get caught up in his deeds because he performs his duties to realize God. Gita has also accomplished a great blend of spirituality and social welfare in this manner. Integration of austerity and enjoyment. Gita's Niskama Karma Yoga philosophy is the best method from every angle, including spiritual, practical, and material. It has developed a skilled blend of abstinence and action, enjoyment, and austerity. It forbids any possibility of being diverted from one's course and provides the constant motivation to fulfill one's obligations. Divinization of passion. Gita's path is natural and essential. It advocates for the transformation and divinization of passion. In light of Gita's extensive discussion of responsibilities that correspond to various facets of human nature, it must be acknowledged that it aids in the comprehension of daily responsibilities. Based on sensible metaphysics, Gita's ethics are founded on strong metaphysics. Despite being theistic, it does not in any way promote mindless faith. Synthesis of freedom of will and determinism. Gita has combined both concepts. The world's order and the outcome of actions are under the control of God, but after comprehending this order and submitting completely to God, it is necessary to act resolutely to transform into a dynamic instrument of divine action. Because the soul and God are fundamentally the same, transforming into the instrument of divine consciousness entails acting under internal consciousness. Therefore, divine change is the key to true independence. Self-surrender leads to self-realization. Serving others and being devoted to God are the only ways to liberate the soul from its many restrictions. Gita's universal message. Gita's message is all-encompassing and timeless. Some of Gita's teachings, including the laws of action, have taken on increasingly greater significance in the nuclear age where human society is gravely threatened by excessive materialism. Gita contains treasures that men in any society, any age can sincerely use as motivation. Tikak, Gandhi, and Sri Aurobindo were all inspired by old Indian thinkers like Sankara and Ramanuja. Gita is a way of life. This is nothing new. There are a ton of things to take away from the Gita. But we have tried to conclude the ethics within them in this video. Concepts like action, moral duties, self-realization, and surrendering to the divine are the core ideas of the Gita which continues to lead us even in this day and age.